Welcome to this video about key program management stakeholders. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify key program management stakeholders and their roles and responsibilities, and illustrate a RACI example. Program management stakeholders are individuals, groups, or organizations that may affect or be affected by, or perceive themselves to be affected by a decision, activity, or outcome of a project, program, or portfolio. PMBOK. A state government is upgrading its transport infrastructure to accommodate higher road and rail traffic. The program involves road widening, new railroads, high-speed railways, improved signaling, and emergency services along the new network. Many key stakeholders in this scenario are affected or can affect the project. A program sponsor is an individual or group that provides authority, resources, and support for the program manager and is accountable for the program's success. Program sponsors are sometimes called program champions, spokespersons, or advocates. Many firms form a program steering committee comprising participants representing various program-related interests. The steering committee supports the programs under their authority by providing guidance, endorsements, and approvals through accepted governance practices. Programs are normally part of a broader portfolio. Individual programs are often integrated and dependent upon other programs. A program manager must integrate their program with others to achieve synergy and complement the other program. Program managers actively engage with the program steering committee by providing regular updates, seeking their input, and aligning program goals to ensure successful project execution. Project managers lead the individual teams responsible for achieving project objectives. Program managers collaborate with project managers to develop project plans, align project schedules, budgets, and goals, and ensure that the individual project activities contribute to the program's overall success. A portfolio manager is a person or group responsible for establishing, balancing, monitoring, and controlling a firm's portfolio components. Program managers collaborate with the portfolio manager by aligning program goals with the overall portfolio strategy. This ensures the program initiatives contribute to the organization's strategic objectives. Team members with diverse skills and knowledge run programs. Program managers identify team members to support the program and manage their work to accomplish program objectives. The program manager must also work closely with project managers to ensure they have the right team. The program manager identifies, trains, and manages team members at the project level. Let's understand this concept further through the RACI method. Responsible, accountable, consult, and inform matrices, or RACI, are a common method for identifying stakeholders and assigning them roles and responsibilities. A RACI metric is typically developed as a Microsoft Excel, Word document, or equivalent. A stakeholder may be assigned one or more roles depending on their designation. A person who owns the project, task, or work, such as the project manager, may be assigned the responsible or R role. The accountable or A role could be assigned to someone who signs off on the work and judges its completion and quality, such as the project sponsor. A person with the knowledge or ability required to complete the work, such as a subject matter expert or SME, may be assigned the consult or C role. A person who must be informed about the work but not consulted directly may be assigned to the inform or I role. In this video, you learned about some key stakeholders who can affect or be affected by a program and their roles and responsibilities. You also learned about the RACI matrix and how you can use the tools to identify stakeholder roles and responsibilities. Program stakeholder identification, engagement, and management are critical success factors because they directly impact project outcomes by ensuring that relevant stakeholders are involved, informed, and supportive throughout the program lifecycle. Effective stakeholder management fosters collaboration, reduces risks, and enhances overall program success.